Hello, friend. Let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Who is that? Ramon. Wow. Whoa, Fillmore. Wow. Wow, Dinoco King. Yeah. This is Sheriff. Yeah. This is Justin Marshall. Yeah. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. Whoa, this is Finn. Yeah. Wow, Francesco. Haha. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. This is Jackson Storm. Wow. Who is that? Sally. Haha. Who is that? Tomater. Wow. Who is that? Tomater. Wow. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
McQueen's the winner. Francesco's second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
That's what I'm talking about. Ka-chow!
Who is that? Tomater. Wow.
A funny car.
Request acknowledged.
Who is that? Ramon. Wow. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
It's an electronic suit. With it, we'll be able to track your speed and your vital signs.
Does it have a phone?
Don't be crazy. Race cars don't have phones.
Wow, Dinoco King. Yeah.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
This is Justin Marshall. Yeah.
You was worried about me, wasn't you? Huh?
Who is that? Tomater. Wow.
Where are you? Shoot, you're in Radiator Springs.
Whoa, Fillmore. Wow.
There's a lot of love out there, you know, man.
Don't embarrass me, Fillmore.
Whoa, this is Finn. Yeah.
Hold on!
This is Sheriff. Yeah.
Defendant has no lawyer. The court will assign one to him.
Wow, Francesco. Haha.
He's no insult. When Francesco is away from home, he misses his mama.
Who is that? Sally. Haha.
Why don't we just take a drive?
Nah.
Hello, friend. Let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Wow, Tormentor. Yeah. This is Frightening McQueen. Wow. Cruz Ramirez. Yeah.